folks, we are doing Unit 1, Lesson 14. So we are back in geometry and we are looking at nets today. So a net in math is a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional figure. So I have a three-dimensional figure right here. So minus the bow on top, this would be a rectangular prism. If I was going to draw the net for this, I need to represent every single side of this box, right? So if I start tracing, right, here is the bottom of my box. And then attached to the bottom is like the left side. And the right side. And the top. And the front. And the back. Now, this is just one net that I could draw for this box, right? I could start with the right side and attach it to the bottom and the left and the top. And I could attach the front here and the back there. That is another net. Now I could also have all 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the rectangles that take this, and I could put them together in a way that is not a net, okay? So a way that would not work, so these are nets. This is not a net, would be if I put the left side and the right side and the bottom and the front, the top together. And even if I have like the back and the front here. So here I have all 6 rectangles. I'm gonna slide us a little bit closer so you can maybe see that a little bit better, okay? But this is not a net, because if you think about folding this, if I folded this up, it would make this shape. If I fold this up, my bottom and my top do not ever touch each other. There are always pieces in between. So that first question on our homework today of can you fold that to make a net, to make a cube? You would have to be able to fold it and fold all those sides in a way that they don't overlap, that it does make that solid, okay? The other question that we've got on our homework today has to do with surface area. So each of these rectangles has their own area. And if I found the area of this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, and added them all together, that is the area of all of the surfaces on that piece. So if I think about a rectangular prism like this, I would find the area of that square, the area of this square, the area of all 4 of the rectangles, and I would add it together. That would be the surface area of this side. If I had this figure, I would find the area of the triangle, rectangle, 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 and I would add all of those together, and that would be the surface area of this. On our homework, we have a net, and we have on this net 3 rectangles, which we have a formula to find, base times height, and 2 triangles, which we know we have a formula, base times height, and then we take half. So we're finding the area of each of these singular shapes, and then we are adding them all together to find the surface area of this whole net. Good luck.